clean through 1 and 2, clean through 1 and 2, clean through 1 and 2. On the tone. We're good. Domino out front. He is gone. 6-4 that time by for Domino. 6-4 for Jason. 5-8, 5-5 now for Domino. He's got a 1 second lead. Already working his way to the back of the pack. Watch out in 2, watch out in 2, we're clear. Watch out in 2, watch out in 2. Go high in 2, high in 2, high in 2, high in 2. Domino, Jason, Randy, Jimmy, Kyzer.
Three minutes left.
Domino now 2.7 seconds out front. Jason and Randy battling out for second. Randy taking over second. Now Jason and Jimmy battling out for third. Down to 4. Domino on a 36.401. 35.402 for Randy. 34.405 for Jason. 33.407 for Jimmy. Domino turned to 5.685 as his fast lap. 6.1 for Randy. 5.9 for Jason. 6.4 for Jimmy.
2 minutes left.
Domino up by 5 seconds now. Now he's got a lap on the field. That blue, silver, black truck all by himself on the lead lap. With 1:30 to go. Jason taking over second. Randy back to third. Then it's Jimmy. Watch the front straight. Watch the front straight. Watch the front straight. Go low, go low, go low. We're clear. Domino, Jason, Randy, Jimmy.
1 minute left.
Which one? This one right here?
"45 seconds
Mike,
left.
let Linda know.
"30 seconds left.
Domino, Jason, Randy, Jimmy.
"15 seconds left.
Finish your lap. Domino's going to take that one.
All drivers are finished.
37.402.
The race is complete.